Hey, welcome back. I'm Laura. I'm a parent, a writer, an artist, and a vintage enthusiast. I wanted to share with you today how for less than $100, I totally transformed our kitchen. As a lover of all things vintage, I wanted to add some major groovy floral flair to our kitchen. Our kitchen definitely has a retro, vintage, cottagecore, grandma kind of style. And so when I heard about Spoonflower and their peel and stick wallpaper solution, I searched their site and I found the perfect print for me. It matched everything else I had going on in the kitchen and I wouldn't have to go over budget. It only took a few hours to go up. We measured the cabinets, cut out our wallpaper, stuck it on there, and then we could reposition it if we needed to, because we are renters and we do need to be able to put things back the way they were before. And then we were all done. I seriously thought that it would take longer, but if you have a helper, it'll go by really quickly. So in this video, you're gonna see me with purple hair because we did this a couple weeks ago. My hair is currently green, and who knows what color it'll be in another couple of weeks.
Okay, so mid-project update. It works. It's not destructive. I'm getting a little cranky doing all this. A lot of measuring and then cutting. Our utility knife is dull and it kind of messed up one of the edges in the first cut, so I didn't want to trust it. So we are using scissors, and I'm using a tape measure, which doesn't work great for paper. Flexible paper products.
So I think it still looks good. The imperfections on the first cabinet are not even bad. I mean, it still looks pretty good in my opinion. You'd have to know that it's there and really be like looking to see it. Yes, he was getting a little bit cranky. I was caring for Violet in the beginning while he was getting these first few done. But now I can help out a little bit more. And I think it looks really nice so far. So he is measuring some more. We are getting close to being done with the top cabinets.
Yeah, because these are facing the right way.
Okay. Thanks, baby.
looks good.
I mean, I try to go for as much like vintage, retro, grandma, cottagecore, like
That's for sure.
like old school look as I can. And I feel like this really, I think it works for that. I think it's doing its job. After we get this cabinet up, we're just gonna do there's one down here, and then a tiny one, and then 3 more on the bottom.
Got 5 after this one.
Yeah. And I think we're good on paper. I think it should be enough.
Should be alright.
So far, I like peeling and sticking. I'm not good at measuring, so like that's you. I can handle the drill, taking it down and putting it up. I think Violet's almost down for a nap again.
Almost. She's
She's just
alert.
looking at the ceiling fan. She likes that. We've been listening to podcasts.
Watching some TikToks.
Yeah, he watched some TikToks on the porch. You're in the light though, for what you're trying to do.
I'll be in my own light if I want to. Be in my light if I please.
Here, let me move so you can see both of us. Violet's book works great as a squeegee.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mason, tell me what the most important things are when laying it down.
I mean, it's pretty low risk. You can repeel it and stuff. I mean, really just getting keeping it straight out, I would say, is probably the best thing. And then doing it incrementally, but also...
The initial lineup is key.
See, I think that because of the thing in the middle, this one screwed us.
It's okay, I'm just gonna try to go for like middle, you know? Okay.
So yeah, just like that, and then...
I'm gonna pull under. Okay. Gonna go underneath. Squeegee as I pull. But this is great for renters because there's no residue. It's just kind of like when you think of like a phone screen protector, that's basically what it is. It's just like, it's clinging to it. It's right around this part of the project where both of us stop having fun. But we're gonna feel really good about it when we're completely done. Would you agree, Mason?
I'm having a great time. I don't know what you're talking about.
We're very close. We only have 2 cabinets left.
Just trying to hunch it over.
Yeah, I can see. Your hunching is pretty decent. You know, you can hunch differently. Keeping that in.
You go ahead.
You know?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one if you want to start measuring the next one. I already took both the doors off.
Good form.
Thank you. Thanks, Coach.
Great form, Slate.
Thanks, Hartung. Thanks, Coach Hartung. It's the shitty cabinet anyway.
This is the shittiest cabinet.
It is the worst one. we have this cabinet that's like this is the door to it, right? But it's the deepest, biggest cabinet we have, that it's like a portal. It's very hard to navigate.
It's like a Tupperware graveyard right now.
The abyss. Support scratches. Feeling good? That final cut.
I'll have to freaking measure anything else out.
What about the drawers?
We're not doing that tonight. It's not.
What about the doors then? I am so happy with how it turned out. I almost cried. I thought it looked really pretty and it matched the rest of our cozy, country grandma, retro kind of look. And the cabinets just tied it all together. It was less than $100, renter friendly, and only took a few hours. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will do more parenting stuff, cleaning stuff, DIY, crafty. Bye, see you next time.